Alright guys, about 7:45, 7:50. Hunter and Josh just showed up. Unfortunately, this tire has been going low, so we're just putting a little bit of air in it. Should probably replace it, but fuck it.
We ball, and it's early.
Welcome to the season opener for the 2026 season. This is a really exciting day. I'm glad that we've been blessed with such great weather.
Yo, Hunter, where are we at?
We just made it to Jackson Speedway for their season opener, and yeah, we're gonna shred some tires in the Stockboy Z. Hopefully bang some doors.
Yeah, back in Stockboy Z.
Have fun, you know? Chill day.
So it is the first opener at Jackson Speedway, 4/11/2026. We do have our new tech sticker. Now this year they're doing it a little bit different. There is no A group, so luckily I am starting in B group, which means we can tandem. I mean, we've got a 2024 sticker by them, the 25 sticker, and the 2026 tech sticker, guys. So let's enjoy Jackson Speedway. We've got the boys here, 85 drivers, so it should be a good day. Let's get it. Won't hit those tires again.
Yeah, good idea.
All right, guys, we got the boys helping with tires, luckily, because it is just that freaking hard on these 351s. Whoop! She went limp on me.
Finger bang it. Finger.
Perfect view, guys, so we can see the Konigs and the Acceler 351s making smoke. What's up, cool guys?
What up?
What do we think of the drifting today so far?
Drifting is going great. Drifting's going great. Class C.
Class C's
up next.
Yeah.
Yep, up next. So we'll see how it keeps going.
Otherwise, we're here.
We are here. What up?
Howdy, sir. Thank you. Thanks for having us out. We appreciate it. We love it here.
Thank you.
Best time. Thank you.
Try to make it nice.
Absolutely.
Let's fucking go!
All right, guys, so that is completion of the first event at Jackson. That's in Jackson, Michigan, Jackson Speedway. It is for anybody that doesn't know, it is a go-kart track. Now they've widened some of the spots, a good amount of drivers. I think we had 85 drivers, B class, C class, and they were moving people up. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage because boy, do we love tandeming with everybody, seeing friends, just getting all the action. The Z did take a couple bumps, whoopsies to the girlfriend, but what a successful night. The Z comes home in one piece, just a couple bumpies. Guys, like, subscribe, comment if you want to get some runs in, if you want to see me, whatever it may be. I hope you enjoyed the footage. I had fun. Josh and Hunter came. So peace out, and until next time.